Power BI is not just about charts anymore. Today, it's involved into something much bigger, a tool that can actually understand your data. In this video, we are diving into AI insights in Power BI, especially specifically text analytics and vision AI. We are going to see how Power BI can extract meanings from text, detect the sentiments, even analyze the images. So, if you have only been using Power BI for dashboards, this video is going to change how you see it. So, let's get started. So, here's what we are going to cover in this particular video. And okay, sorry. So, extracting the key phrases basically. So, let's start with key phrase extraction. Here's how it works. You input raw text like customer feedback, then AI model processes it and then extracts the most important phrases. For example, from a long review, it might extract slow delivery, great packaging, poor customer services. This helps you quickly understand what matters without reading everything manually. This is extremely powerful for large data sets. Now imagine your data comes from different countries. You might have English, Spanish, French all mixed together. This is where language detection comes in. The algorithm analyzes the text and identifies the language. As you can see on the slide, it outputs ISO language codes and language names. This is important because you can't analyze text properly if you don't know the language first. Now let's talk about sentiments. This is where AI determines whether text is positive, negative, or neutral. It looks at words, tone, and context. For example, I love this product, it's positive tone. And this is terrible, then it's a negative. This allows businesses to measure customer satisfactions at scale. The goal here is to quantify the language by scoring its positive or negative tone. And the integration like run natively within Power BI via the text analytics algorithm. So here's how sentiments is actually measured. Instead of label, we use a numeric scale from 0 to 1. 0 is very negative and 1 is very positive. So score like zero point 0.2 means negative sentiment, while zero point 0.8 means positive sentiments. This makes it easier to quantify and compare the results. It detects overall positive or negative rating for written text as an outcome measured between the values of 0 and 1. And that's critical for data driven decisions. So now just like understand, we were just saying like the text version, right? So now let's just shift from text to images. So Power BI can also analyze image data using AI. You provide the images and the system processes them using the AI models. Then it identifies the objects inside the image. This is called as image tagging. The vision algorithm lets us add image tags to our data by running the images through the image tagging functionality. So this will be the image data and it will be given to the available using AI systems, insights in Power BI through Power Query. And the images will be tagged. So here how the system works. You input an image into the Power BI. It sends an Vision AI model. The model processes the image and returns the tags. This creates a seamless pipeline between Power BI and AI services. So basically, how the vision model predicts the tags. Now let's go deeper. The vision model analyzes the pixels. It detects the patterns and matches them with a known object. For example, an image might be tagged as car, person, building. This is done using trained machine learning models. This AI model runs each image as an input and detects the related text for the image by predicting what the image contains by comparing it against the known existing images. It returns the text related to more than 2000 recognizable objects, things, sceneries, and actions. This we are going to be the input images, and this is going to be known existing images database, and it is going to like kind of run those images, and like AI model will be run through each of the images, and then the text will be detected. Once the model processes the images, it returns tags as output. So if your image contains a windmill, the output will include the tag as windmill. So this allows you to convert visual data into a structured data. Like action returns the text of the input. Example, so what we said like for the windmill. So here we also have like tag images confidence score, but how accurate are these tags, right? That's where the confidence score comes in. Each tag is assigned a value between 0 and 1. Closer to 1, it has a high confidence, and closer to 0, it has a low confidence. This helps you decide whether to trust the results or no. So, so for the technical requirement to use these features, we need like image inputs, URLs, or base 64 fields, okay, and Fabric or Power BI account with AI capabilities. This ensures the system can process and analyze images properly. Now we are combining everything. We use a unified scoring system from 0 to 1, sentiment scores, confidence scores. This creates a standardized way to evaluate the AI outputs. This makes analysis consistent and scalable. Let's wrap it up. We have covered like key phrase extraction, sentiment analysis, image tagging, confidence scoring, all inside the Power BI. This is future of analytics and combining data with AI. If you can use these features effectively, you are not just building the dashboards, you are building intelligent systems. So hope you guys have understood this video, and thanks so much for watching.